You have an old wall mount hose holder that's just falling apart? Me too. But I got one in and I'm going to show it to you. Let's check it out. Got in the VyGrow detachable wall mount hose holder. Let's check it out. Pretty heavy duty feeling. It's metal. Have our instructions. Pretty easy to follow, it looks like. I may have to move down here. No, let's go down here. Hang on just a minute. All right, it says this is going to be the back because it's got the little grooves on it that we slide onto the wall. We'll put that down. Try to get it up here where you can see it. It says use, oh, these got little screws in them. How convenient. A good way to store these things. That is cool. Problem is I need a screwdriver. Be right back. Just happen to have a cordless right here handy. Let's take these out. We'll put it, let's just put it in place. So you can see where this is going to be flush up against your wall. So make sure you put these on this side. Now we'll take this part and we'll put it right here and we'll put those screws right back in there. Now we are ready to hang this on the wall. Now we'll just get our screw in the wall here. Get it up there pretty close. Get that up there. How's that? Looks like it's good and level. So I'll get my other screw, shoot it in right there, and we'll be good to go and get this hose up off the ground. That ain't going nowhere. It is there. Let's throw our hose up there. And there you go, the VyGrow wall mount water hose holder. Good and solid.